What's up guys? Apple will introduce its new series of phones in 2022. And you are watching unboxing of iPhone 14 Pro Max. The handset got a chipset of Apple A16 Bionic, which is the most powerful chipset and to give more power to this device. It has a 3.1 GHz hexa-core processor inside the Apple's iPhone 14 Pro Max, to make the device ultra-fast. Also, there is a GPU of Apple GPU graphics under the hood of this smartphone. The display screen size of the smartphone is 6.7 inches. And it will provide the user with Full HD plus the resolution of 1284 by 2778 pixels. The Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max having a Super Retina XDR OLED touchscreen display. That is the latest one and well known for its outstanding results. In the protection of this smartphone, it has a scratch-resistant glass, oleophobic coating. There is a quad camera setup in the back of this new Apple 14 Pro Max. The main camera is 48 megapixels wide, and another one is also 12 megapixels telephoto, 12 megapixels ultrawide, and the depth sensor is TOF 3D lidar. The iPhone 14 Pro Max has to come with a refreshed notch design, with significant selfie camera upgrades, a larger camera island on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. There is a dual 12 megapixels and SL3D depth, biometrics sensor, selfie camera. There is a Face ID reader in this smartphone to protect your data. And you will find an IP68 dust water resistant. Up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. The 6 GB of RAM which gives this handset more power. The handset has got 256 512ths of a gigabyte of internal memory which is more than enough to store your data. The battery of is also a massive one. The handset is fueled with a 2-day standby battery. The price of the iPhone 14 Pro Max will start at $1,200. The price is quite more than the iPhone 13 Pro Max. However, we are not totally sure about it. Guys, if you like my video then please subscribe my channel and don't forget click bell icon for new coming video.